Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify your age on Roblox without ID on mobile. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Roblox app. So let me just try again. And once you open it, you'll be sent to the home page of the Roblox, right? Now all you gotta do is click on the three dot icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Let's just tap it, and once you tap it, just scroll down until you find the settings and then select it or tap on it. And now here you'll get these settings options. Now tap on account info, and once you tap on account info, you'll be sent to these settings, and here you can see verify my age. And once you tap on it, you'll get this pop-up option or this pop-up message that says identity verification. In order to verify your age, you will need a valid ID, because without your valid identification your account isn't validated. So without your ID, your age cannot be confirmed. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.